I'm JD Durkin reporting from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Stocks are in mixed territory to close out this Monday trading session. The Dow closed up 126 points after hitting a fresh record high. The tech-heavy Nasdaq closed down 0.3%, while the S&P 500 closed fractionally lower. Investors are awaiting some key economic data this week: consumer inflation Tuesday, retail sales Wednesday, and wholesale inflation data Friday. The U.S. Federal Reserve has made it clear it would not cut interest rates until inflation has sufficiently cooled. In other news, more than 90% of Americans say they plan to buy chocolate and candy for Valentine's Day, according to the National Confectioners Association, and it's going to cost a bit more than usual. The price of cocoa, the main ingredient in chocolate, is at an all-time high and is continuing to rise. Sales at Hershey and Mondelez, two of the biggest chocolate makers in the world, both fell last quarter, and Hershey said falling sales caused the company to lay off 5% of its workforce. But what's driving up the price of cocoa? West Africa is responsible for more than 60% of the globe's cocoa production, but climate issues in the region have damaged crops, causing the cocoa supply to drop and prices to increase. This marks the third consecutive year production has been less than anticipated. But the higher prices are not stopping Americans from enjoying their sweet treats on February 14th. The National Confectioners Association says chocolate and candy sales last year surpassed $4 billion. That'll do it for your daily briefing from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. I'm JD Durkin with TheStreet.